Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to receive money in your Wise account. So first, in your personal or business account, let's go ahead and log in. Once that we have logged in, there are actually two ways for us to be able to receive money in Wise. If you take a look here on the left side, we can request for money. Here we can choose whichever currency that we currently have in our Wise account. So at the moment I have 3 bank accounts on different currencies. So let's say I'd like to request 10 euros. You can add some additional notes here, and then we will create a payment link. Wise will then give us a request link, so we will send this to our clients or whoever we are requesting from. We copy the link and then we send this over to them. Another way to do it is to give them information about your bank details. So let's say I'd like to receive money in US dollars, so I'll go ahead and open this. And then we will click on receive. Here once again we can get either that link or we can give them our USD account details. So there's two options for us here. We can either send them our ACH or we can send them our routing number. All they need to do now is add you as their recipient so that they can then send money over to you. And there you go. So I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.